Hello, my name is Gideon and I'm pleased to show you how to write your stories with Scoop's new article edit screen, Scoopwriter. Let me log in. As a start, let's open an existing article and see how the new interface looks. What we wanted to give you as an editor is a distraction-free environment to write good texts. Thus, with the new interface, all complementary content and metadata has been moved to side panels, which you can easily slide in and out. So you can manage your image, your images, slideshows, your code snippets, or even manage your comments for this article in the respective side panels, but you won't be distracted by these elements when writing your stories. Same with the metadata, which you find on the right side, the authors, the related articles, switches, or topics. So you can do what you can do best, concentrate on your story. That's nice. On top of that, you may even want to switch off all additional elements and work in Zen mode by clicking on that icon here. And you have the chance to just concentrate on your article. No elements distracting you will show up, so that is pretty nice. Of course, you can also preview the article in 3 different viewports: desktop, as you can see here, tablet or mobile view, which will help you to adjust the article to the respective output channels of your publications. Let's also not forget there is this area which we call below the line, where you can put in custom fields that are not really part of the editorial content, but are just keeping additional metadata that you need for your template. So they can be hidden here below the line. Okay, great. But now let's start an article from scratch. We go to Actions, Add New Article. And now you have to provide the title, Another Great Scoopwriter Article. We choose the type, news, we choose the language, English, and then please also provide issue and section, because the Scoopwriter plugin doesn't work well with the pending articles, so the article that you work with should be assigned to an issue and section before you start. So let's save this article. And here we go. There is a freshly created article showing all the standard fields of that article type: catchline, title, deck, full text, as you can see here. And the placeholder text tells the editor to please provide his content now, and this is what we can do now. New editor plugin could be the catchline, and if you hover over it, you can see that I provided 17 characters and 3 words, because there is a smart character count within each field. That should be pretty nice. Let's continue with the deck. Fun to use and easy to handle. Scoop's new article edit screen. All right, yeah. Okay, and then of course you can go ahead and write your story in the body of the article, and there will be many words to write, of course. And because that is the case, let me copy a little bit of lorem ipsum text in here so that we don't waste time. Yeah, this is pretty much how easy it is to write text with Scoopwriter. Scoop's distraction-free article edit screen, but let me also play with the elements that pretty much every editor provides, and of course we do it too. Let's, for example, add another headline, and you simply copy or you mark this text, and then you can choose between normal text, heading 1, heading 2, or other headings. We keep it as a heading 2 for now. And I also would like to show you how to turn a paragraph into a block quote, for example. Just select it and select block quote, and here we go. Text is marked as a block quote, but for some publications it might be interesting to mark the text as pre-formatted. That's of course also possible and easy to do. And there are all these little standard elements, of course, like bold, italic, underline, or you might want to mark a whole sentence as strike through, or you add a little formula to your text and you need it to show up uppercase or lowercase, however you want it to be. That's all possible. Now let me also show you how easy it is to add a link. You just mark the text again, you click on the respective icon, provide your URL including HTTP, and I do that for you right now. Of course it's sourcefabric.org, and the title will be Great Website. And we decide that this should show up in an extra window. Okay, and that's pretty much all. And as you can see here, the link will now show up in your article. To make this complete, let's also add a list. This will be a list. And again, you mark this text and you simply choose ordered list, or you choose unordered list, and by just clicking enter you can go on. Yeah, that's actually pretty much it, what you need to know. Don't miss the next screencasts, in which we will describe how easy it is to add images and snippets by simply dragging and dropping them into your article. Also, please note that apart from the viewports, we also have the chance to preview the properly rendered article in the article preview of Scoop, and you can see it's probably rendered including the menu, the sidebar, and also the whole footer of the article. But what I can just see is I didn't save the article, so that doesn't look so impressive. So we do that right now, and we can look at it again, and now you will see all that we provided as text to this article, and that looks much better. This is what a preview is for, and of course Scoopwriter comes with a nice preview feature. Please, this is some fresh software. It's a beta, so we added the feedback button to it, and we rely on your feedback, on your positive feedback, on your requests, on your ideas. Also, if you stumble upon bugs, please report this to us. We will take care of it. And now I'm done with that screencast, and thanks for your attention. See you. Bye bye.